Hey y'all, here we are in public. Excuse me. Let me. I'm finna cook tonight some lamb chops. Potatoes. I was doing homemade mashed potatoes, but he want me to cook my homemade mashed potatoes. And broccoli. Should I do broccoli or broccoli? Huh? We got broccoli at the house. What you gonna try it tonight, babe? Huh? Yes, you are. You said you was trying it. Let me figure out where we're going. I'm gonna call y'all back. So why in my dumb mind did I think chicken broth and chicken stock was the same thing? Like, what, girl? Like, what? I forgot to pick up a battery, so we're gonna come. Like, I don't even know what I was even thinking. Do y'all see this price for, what is it, 6? Wait, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 lamb chops. Is this how? How? Like, what? This is what we're looking at right now. I got a spring water on the bottom and 2 ginger ales. Yes, ma'am.
Limited.
Babe putting the groceries in the car. What you mean no limited? Don't mind. So this is my first time being in the fresh market. I'm looking for broccoli because I keep saying baby broccoli, but it's not the same. I don't think they got none either. We might do that though. And they probably got some. Bro, shit came here. Go see if they got some. Come on, love. Just come on. Just come on. Man, baby. They ain't got no broccoli either. So y'all gonna be looking like, nah, they ain't got no broccoli. Dang. Last time I had broccoli, I got it from Whole Foods, so I wanna go see if they got this lamb. Why we done paid $18 for lamb at the other store at Publix. I'm pretty sure they got it though, so let's see.
You doing a YouTube video?
Yeah. Who you talking to? Let's keep it real. Oh, that's some good food. I'm looking for some oh, they probably got, oh my god, I should have came here. Oh, ain't no better. They just got these. 17 pounds. But they got a whole broccoli on $19. We ain't gonna eat that many now.
You got a whole broccoli.
Yeah.
Shit ain't cheap and buy what we got.
It's okay. Oh, we don't buy that now. Well, we're still on the hunt to find some broccolini. Get these instead because I'm a big fan of dang, I'm trying to figure out what they call these green beans instead. What they are?
Jalapeno peppers.
Okay then. That's a reference to the dude on TikTok. Don't comfort him. Let's take a moment to look at the meals that they have to offer. This is in the, you guys see the fresh market. Bun-based salmon, lemon pepper salmon, all these different options. Like, I definitely back in here. Roasted garlic chicken, chicken marsala. Oh, I love me some chicken marsala. Okay, let's take a minute. I'm always taking a minute in this store. It seems like to look at this fine wine collection. Like, it's giving very exquisite top tier. I don't even be drinking rosé or nothing like that, but it always, I don't know, be catching my eye. Baby, stop. This one looks pretty. Okay, that's all, guys. I got 28 minutes of recording. They can look at mine. Hey, speak to me. I don't know what you. Hello. Hi. I feel like they're good.
Y'all find everything alright?
Yes, yes, yes. We are headed back home. Somebody call him. Pick it up. Hello. Yes,
Hey.
love. Huh? I bought some more. Baby, where did napkin come from? That you got on the counter. Huh? If you were done with it, why didn't you trash it?
I'm done with
I got my fave. Damn. My camera is on 1 bar. Oh, that's why you bought some more ginger ale.
it. Have I been here? No.
You did just drink the last one. Just be a man about it. You see what I tell them? Wait, babe. Play that game. Another day, another dollar. So what I get for winning the bet? You tried to renege because you come out let me recount. We did bet 60. You can send it to me. Because I said no more than 100 and it was $95. I know what I be talking about. I know how to count my groceries. Now if I would have said 95 right on it, shocker. We gotta put 4 eggs in this joint. 4 eggs? I gotta back y'all up and turn y'all down some. There we go. That looks better. All right. I'm a Barbie girl. Okay. Oh, I knew I ain't held the flavor I want. I just knew it. Eggs breaking. Well, these are the chops. He got these. We're not cooking this shit tonight. These mashed potatoes, we're not doing homemade. So, yeah, buddy. Yeah. Rock your glass. I feel like I ain't been up here so long. That's so crazy. Rock your glass. I need to downsize my butter. Look at my shirt. Little kid. Girl, what? It's downsize this butter. Okay. Whatever. We still gonna downsize the butter. We're not wasting no groceries over here. We're not wasting not one little bit of grocery.
Shut out of here, what?
I got 15 minutes to record on this SD card. Definitely gonna have to edit that out. We're not wasting. That's all I got. That's okay, because, yo, we're not wasting nothing. And I meant that. Just be a man. Okay. Let me see if it locked. Yeah. That locked it. Now I think that's up too far. Okay. Okay. Want a bell? Okay. Doing the string beans, roasted garlic mashed potatoes, chicken stock for the lamb chops. These are the lamb chops that I showed y'all in the store. I'm doing a honey glaze with the lamb chops. Well, it's some type of glaze. It ain't just a honey glaze. And then this is gonna be a part of the glaze. Okay, cool. Put it in here.
Let go!
I'm gonna add some more stock of this. Oh, we're gonna wing it. We're gonna add the butter. Yes. First of all, you take the lamb chops out and then. Oh Lord.
Yeah, take long chops out and then add them in there once you make the chops.
I got it.
Alright, let me call you back after I done add
Alright.
the stuff. I'm trying to get my mind right. Time.
Oh, that shit.
Tab time. Tap with the brine, baby. You know I love me some tab.
No, they trying to make another Georgia shoe.
Who? Okay, just a quick up close before I go and eat. Mashed potatoes, lamb chops, and green beans. This is my first time cooking the fresh green beans as well, so hey. And first time cooking lamb chops. So yeah. We at the bowling alley waiting to bowl. We on a little wait list.
Little wait list.
Yeah, we should be next. Let me show y'all if I can eat it. Zooming in real slow. Y'all see Bailey at number 2. It's cool, I got y'all. You say what?
Cool, let me get some
Oh,
drink,
I need you bad. It's my heartbeat.
Don't say no shit.
It's been a while. Oh, y'all.
God damn, boy.
Yo, he be throwing them hoes.
He been gonna aimball his shit. Like, cuz that throw. That's not his shit. About 10 hands like that.
He thought it's something. Who's home? You gotta let that man go. Y'all, this is the commentary. For real. You're broken down and tired.
Okay, then.
Okay, then. Okay, then. Y'all see that one ball? Here, he redeemed himself.
Come on.